Hi, I'm Tony, your Poppopsworkshop. Just doing a little planing on this board. This is going to be a couple serving trays. It's got some really nice spalting down on this end here, so that one's going to be really nice. Plus, you might not be able to see it. I'll see if I can bring it a little closer if that shows up in the camera at all. But on that end there, right in there, some really nice figure. So that's going to be a really pretty board. So I've got the one side here planed to where I'm ready for it. I'm going to flip it over and do a little planing on the other side. But we're going to put on our hearing protection, throw in some lung protection, turn on our cleaning fan and our vac for the planer, and we'll get going on this. Oops, almost forgot to turn off the fan. Does a nice job of keeping the dust out of the air. So, as you saw, had to stop. Got a little bit of a plug. The one downside to this Delta planer is the dust chute at the back is such a tight angle that a lot of times the hose can get clogged, and it's a small chute, so that might be a nice upgrade, or someday upgrade the planer, of course. But in the meantime, does a nice job. Occasionally, if I forget to dump the cyclone or I get a clog, then I got to take a little time to do that. But that's part of working in the shop. Sure beats being outside today. I don't know what you're doing, but we got rain and wind and nasty winter in Iowa. So it's what we deal with, but nice and cozy here in the shop, working up a sweat, doing a little planing. And got this pretty much where I want it to. There'll be a little trimming off the end here, but some really nice figure in the end of this board. And some nice spalting along the edge here. So a little sanding after we cut that to size, and drill some holes, slap some handles on them. They'll be good. So we got a little more planing to do today, some maple just to plane up that we're going to turn into some charcuterie boards. So I'll get that done before we store the planer back where we keep it. And that's what we got going in the shop today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and you're having a great day in your shop. And remember, you can do this.